Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a quick, easy-to-follow guide on creating tasks in Asana, your go-to tool for project management. The first step is to log into your Asana account. This is the doorway to all your project management needs. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's easy and free. After you've logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click the orange plus button. You'll see a drop-down menu. Select Task. This is the key to setting up your to-dos and assignments. It's like your personal secretary, reminding you what needs to be done. Once you've selected Task, a new window will pop up. Here's where you'll enter the details of your task. Start by giving your task a name. This helps us because it provides a clear, concise summary of what the task involves. Now that you've named your task, it's time to add some extra details. You'll see a larger text box below the task name. This is where you can elaborate on the task requirements. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone on the team understands the task's purpose and what it entails. Next up, set a due date for your task. You'll find this option on the right side of your task window. It's crucial to assign a due date because it helps keep everyone on track and ensures tasks are completed on time. You've almost created your first task, but before we wrap up, there's one more important step. Assign the task to someone on your team. This can be done using the Assignee field, which is right next to the Due Date field. Assigning tasks ensures accountability. It's clear who is responsible for what. And there you have it. You've just created a task on Asana. By following these steps, you can easily manage your tasks, deadlines, and deliverables, making project management a breeze. As we wrap up, remember, creating tasks on Asana is about more than just listing things to do. It's about team collaboration, accountability, and productivity. It's about getting things done, and done well. So go ahead, start creating your tasks on Asana today, and take your project management game to the next level. And that's all for today's tutorial. See you next time.